The following items will be required for the download, installation, and licensing of the ProSeries program: an internet connection to access the proconnect.intuit.com website, a valid My Account login for ProSeries, and administrator privileges on the computer that meets our system requirements. The recommended system requirements for the ProSeries tax program are 2 GHz processor or higher, 4 GB of RAM or greater, Windows 7 operating system or newer. You can see the details regarding our system requirements on our website. To see the details of these requirements, go to our website at proconnect.intuit.com. Once you're on that page, hover the mouse cursor over Products to display the drop-down menu and select ProSeries. Then select FAQs. From here, click the button for ProSeries Tax System Recommendations. Once you're on this page, you can scroll down to see on the left side the recommended system requirements for a standalone installation. To begin the installation of the ProSeries tax program, we will need to return to the proconnect.intuit.com webpage, select Sign In the top right, then ProSeries. Then enter your user ID and password and click Sign In. If you have not created a My Account login, select the link for Create an Account. You will need your ProSeries customer number and billing zip code to complete this process. After you have logged into the My Account, you are presented with the dashboard. On this page, you can select the Download button to download the current year of the tax software. Selecting previous years will give you a drop-down where you can also download prior year versions of the software. Depending on the web browser you are using, you may be prompted to run, save, or open the download file before the installation begins. Choose whichever option is applicable, then launch the executable to begin the installation. When you run that file, the install begins. The initial welcome screen will appear. Select Next to continue. You may use the scroll bar to review the end-user license agreement. And when ready, select the I accept the terms of the license agreement radial button and then select Next. The installation type screen will prompt you to select either Standalone or Network. Select Standalone and then select Next. The Select Install folder defaults to the local drive. The ProSeries Professional Edition installed to the folder ProWin, followed by the 2-digit tax year. We recommend accepting the default installation folder. However, if you need to change the location for the installation, click the Change button to specify another location. The product selection screen will allow you to select the federal and state program modules for installation. For this video presentation, I'm going to select the federal products 1040, 1120, 1120S, and 1065. And then the state products, I will choose California for installation. I can select the boxes individually for California or use the hyperlink to automatically fill in the check boxes for that state. We recommend selecting just the federal and state products that you know you need. Installing all federal and state products will affect the length of time it takes to launch the program and when updating the tax program. If at a later time you need to install the additional federal or state products, you can do so from within the ProSeries tax program by selecting the Update drop-down menu at the top, then select and download new products to relaunch this screen. Select the Next button once you've selected your products for installation. The selected products will begin to download. After the download is complete, the Application Settings screen will appear and automatically install key components for the program, apply program settings, and create the installation folder. Click Next to continue. Once the program has been installed, the Launch ProSeries checkbox will be selected. Click Finish to launch the program. When the program launches for the first time, it will need to be licensed. The Connected Customer Licensing Wizard will run. The wizard will walk you through the licensing process for ProSeries. Click Next to continue with the wizard. Enter your customer account number and the SOL2 zip code, and then click Next. The wizard will then connect to the Intuit servers to confirm the product licensed and to import your firm information. Click Next when this process is completed. The Verify Firm Information screen will display information for your firm as it will appear on the tax returns. Verify the information that appears is correct and then click Next. If the information is not correct due to either a misspelling or a missing suite number, then click on the Business Personal Name Update Tool link. You will then have the ability to make any necessary corrections to your firm information, and then click the Next button. Any changes made to the firm information will be transmitted to our servers and your account will be updated. The product license screen will then display the products that your firm is licensed to use with the ProSeries program. Click the Continue button. The ProSeries tax program will now try to launch. You'll want to enter your My Account login to sign into the software. At the same time, the program update will run and check for and download any updates. This update process will run in the background. We will come back to the program update screen in a few moments. There are several screen prompts in the program that will need to be cleared before the program update will apply. The first time the tax program is opened, the Options Setup Wizard will appear. This wizard will prompt you to enter information that is specific to your firm. Take a moment to go through this wizard to set up your firm preparer information, the e-file and ERO information, selecting additional services such as the Refund Transfer, American Express Serve, and Protection Plus, and set up your billing options. The Options Setup Wizard can also be run at a later time by selecting the Help menu and choosing the Options Setup Wizard in the drop-down. When you close this, the program will open. You are presented with the tip of the day. This will appear every time you open the program. You may deselect the Show Tips box if you prefer not to see the tips. When you close this window, the IRS Device ID screen will appear. This notification informs you that when an e-file is transmitted, the unique identifier of the computer is also transmitted. This is part of the IRS fraud prevention measures. You are then presented with this window that prompts to transfer files from the prior ProSeries program. This message will show up anytime there are no clients shown in the home base. The home base is the screen where the client list is presented. I will select No on this window. Now that we have cleared the initial program screen prompts, we will return to the ProSeries update. The ProSeries update screen downloads any updates that are available for the program as well as any additional products that were selected for installation. If there were no updates or additional products to install, just close the program update window. If there were any updates or additional products downloaded, then click the Install Now button. Then OK when prompted with the message All changes made in ProSeries will be automatically saved before restarting. The program will close to install the updates and/or additional products. Once this update is completed, the ProSeries update screen will display the products that were updated along with the version and status for the corresponding federal or state forms. Click the Close button and the ProSeries program will relaunch.